Hi guys, today I'm going to do a virtual walk around a fresh in stock Land Rover Discovery Sport. It's a 2 litre TD4 HSE, finished in the gorgeous Land Rover Firenze red. As you can tell, a gorgeous car, lovely paintwork and really good colourway. If we go down to the alloys, we've got the 19-inch twin spoke alloys finished in silver. Very good alloys and in very good shape as well, look great. If we go to the front, you've got your Land Rover LED Xenon headlights with daytime running lights. Very bright and powerful lights, and they also look great. Got a nice HSE styling kit around the car and specification on it, so all the nice parts. You've got the nice bumper, splitter, and nice chrome grills as well, and grey badging. If we go to the sides, you've got the nice silver side vents. Got matching club wing mirrors to the body colour, you've got your indicators on there too. Nice black trim on the outside of the windows, you've got black B-pillars and rear privacy glass. Also got matching coloured door handles as well, with your touch lock on there as well. If we go to the back, you've got the nice lip spoiler on top of the boot with your brake light on. Got the nice Discovery Sport rear tail lights, which look very great and also very bright and powerful. And you've got the nice sport badging with the HSE on there. Got the nice rear bumper with the breakup colour diffuser and your 2 exhaust tips on either side. If we go and open up the boot, you can press the button and the boot will open on its own. Got great boot space in there, you can fit a lot in there. And you've also got the pull-up seats. This is actually 7 seats, so you can pull up the seats if you want some more room for people. And you can see you've got the seats there as well, and you can actually pull them down to make some more room. Put the seats down and you've got the whole back for your boot as well. If we go and press the boot button, the boot will close on its own. Going on into the rear of the car, you can see you have the nice cream interior, which is full leather. These are actually adjustable sliding seats as well, so you can pull the seats forward if you want a bit more room in the back for the 7th people. These are very comfortable seats and very spacious, you can get 3 people in it nicely. You have rear netting as well for your storage, and you've got a 12 volt down there as well for charging. We have the big panoramic sunroof, which can actually slide closed as well, so you can close that off if you don't want it open, or you can have it open like this to get that extra space in. If we go into the front, you can see we've got the gorgeous same leather seats, but you've got a bit more adjustments with these and more lumbar support, and these are electric as well, and you've got all your back adjustments on there too. If you go and get into the car, it's wireless key entry, so foot on the clutch, press the stop start button and the car will turn on. You can see we've got the nice leather steering wheel with controls on either side. So on this side you've got your volume control, your channel changer, your voice command, and then you've got also your hands-free button as well. Then your source mode to go through radio and everything to your phone and whatnot. You do also have your digital driving dash controls on here too, which you can use them to change through as well, which is good. Got all your different displays up. On this side you've got your cruise control and limiter, which is nicely and easy to use. If you move down, you've got the leather door cards and everything, which is lovely. You've got the same stitching to match the interior. You've got your central lock-in, your Meridian sound system, so you've got the best sound system around the whole car. Speakers everywhere, sounds absolutely amazing, the best Land Rover offer. You've got electric wing mirrors, automatic windows, and the ability to lock the rear windows, and you've got your electric folding wing mirrors too. If we move over to the media display, it's all touch screen. You can see you've got the nice media system, so you've got on your sources, you've got DAB, FM and AM, you've also got aux. Then when you connect your phone for Bluetooth, you've got the Bluetooth capability and USB to play your own music. You've got your climate control here as well, so you've got your dual zone climate control with temperatures on either side. You can use them to adjust the temperature, sync them together. You get your front and rear defogging as well, and you've also got your heated seats too, which is great for a cold morning. The front windshield is actually heated as well, so you can use that. You can see you've got the nice there you go, you can see you've got the nice heaters in there, so that's electric heated. Then the rear's defogging, and you've got your air circulation too. This does have navigation as well, but we don't keep the cards in till sale. But you've got the nice new navigation system with all the latest stuff on it, which is great. Put the car in reverse, you can see you've got the nice rear parking camera and your front and rear parking sensors as well. Moving down, you've got the different modes for your car, such as eco mode, your different terrain modes, hill assist, traction control and automatic stop start. You've got your electric handbrake located there, 2 drinks holders, you've got another charger and USB port there. If you go under here, you've got the place where the nav card goes, another USB port, aux, and then another 12 volts. You've got a lot of power outlets for doing whatever you need to do with them. So if you've got any more questions about this car, please feel free to contact our sales team. Potentially, this could be your next new car. Cheers.